Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about permutations. This is our first class on permutations and combinations. We are going to explain the concept very slowly and in depth with clear example. So that you can easily solve the remaining examples which we discuss in our next classes. This class is very, very important to understand. You watch this class multiple times until you get the clarity. Now coming to the definition of permutations. Permutations means number of ways we can do arrangements. How many ways you are going to do arrangements, that we call it as permutations. With example, you are going to get clarity. Let's take an example, the first example. So they have given A, B, C, D, E, 5 alphabets have been given. And they're going to ask you questions like this. How many different words possible with the given alphabets? So using these alphabets, how many different words can be formed? So how many different words you can form? You can form total 120 different words. How we got that answer? That is what we need to understand now. Let's take this with example. So A, B, C, D, E. This is one word. You can swap these two means you can arrange this E, D in different way. So swap the elements, swap the alphabets E and D here. A, B, C, E, D. This is one more word. You can arrange E to the first position and you can move this A, B, C, D to the right side. This is one more arrangement. So E, A, B, C, D. This is one more word you formed with doing arrangements. This is what arrangements means. How many different ways you can arrange A, B, C, D, E so that you are going to form different words. That is what permutations means. So total you can do 120 arrangements. That's why we are having 120 different words are there. Using these 5 alphabets, you can form total 120 different words. How we got that 120 different words? That is what we need to understand. So now understanding this is very, very important. This basic helps you a lot in understanding the next examples, next classes. So given A, B, C, D are 5 alphabets. Using these 5 alphabets, you have to arrange these 5 alphabets in 5 different positions. So take that the first position. You can fill the first position in 5 different ways. Why 5 different ways? You can fill the first position with A, or you can fill the first position with B, or fill the first position with C, or you can fill the first position with D, or you can fill the first position with E. So how many possible ways are there to fill the first position? You are having 5 different possibilities are there. So first position, 5 possible alphabets are there. Assume that you fill the first position with A. So how many possible ways you are having to fill the second position? You can fill the second position. Once you fill the first position with A, you take this next. What are the remaining alphabets we are having? B, C, D, E. So you can choose the second position in 4 different possible ways. You can choose B, you can choose C, or you can choose D, or you can choose E. So the second position can be filled with 4 different possibilities. So how many different possibilities you are having to fill the first 2 positions? If you understand this, solving permutations is very, very easy. So how many different ways we are having to fill the first 2 positions? Total we are having the first position can be filled with 5 different possibilities. The second position can be filled with 4 different possibilities. Total these 2 positions can be filled in 5 multiplied by 4. That is 20 different possibilities are there in order to fill the first 2 positions. Why 20 different possibilities? Why we are using multiplication here? So the explanation is the first position, if you choose the first position with A, the second position can be filled with B, C, D, E. So total how many 4 different possibilities are there? A, B, A, C, A, D, A, E. These are the 4 different possibilities you are having. Suppose if you choose the first position with B, the second position can be filled with A, C, D, E. 4 different possibilities are there. Similarly, if you choose the first position with C, 4 different possibilities. First position with D, you can have 4 different possibilities are there. If you fill the first position with E, how many possibilities? Again 4 different possibilities. So that these 20 possibilities are the possibilities you are having to fill the first 2 positions. So how many ways you are having to fill the first position? You are having, if you want to fill the first position, you are having 5 different possibilities. With each possibility, you can take 4 different possibilities to fill the second position. That's why we are going with the multiplication. That is what multiplication means. Multiplication, 5 multiplied by 4 means add 4 5 times or add 5 4 times. So these are the possibilities. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Add 4 5 times. You are going to get 5 multiplied by 4, which is 20. So total, how many possibilities are there to fill the first 2 positions? 20 possibilities are there, 5 multiplied by 4. Now coming to the complete equation, if you want to fill these 5 alphabets with 5 different positions, the first position can be filled with 5 different possibilities, the second position can be filled with 4 different possibilities. Once you fill the second position, third position can be filled with 3 different possibilities. If you fill the third position, the fourth position can be filled with 2 different possibilities, and the final position you are having only 1 possible way. So 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. This is what we call it as 5 factorial. 5 factorial total, what is the value? 120. So you can fill these positions in 120 different ways. So you are having 120 different words. Suppose one more example, if they have given n alphabets and they asked you to fill these n alphabets in n different positions, how many possibilities you are having? N factorial ways. That is the possibility you are having to fill these positions. So you can arrange these alphabets in n factorial ways. So if you understand this example, in our next class we are going to discuss the formula for the permutations. Understanding the formula is very easy. So if you understand this example, hope you understand this example. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.